everyone, and welcome to this physics class. Here is another question on equations of motion. So look at it. They say the speed of a car increased from 36 km per hour to 96 km per hour in 0.6 km. How long did it take, and what was the acceleration? So very easy. So your solution. Now, state the parameters now. Mean that what we have the speed now. So we take speed now as our velocity, since they have the same units. So it means that what our initial velocity now, which is u, equal to what initial speed, which is what 36 km per hour. Then we have your v, which is equal to what, 96 kilometers per hour. Okay, then we have our distance, of course. What is our distance? Distance is which is your s, is equal to 0.6 kilometer. So now if you notice one thing, the unit is in the other SI unit. Since we're having kilometer per hour, and here the distance is also given in kilometer, so we don't need to convert to the standard unit, which is meters per second square. So we just have to leave it like this. Now, the first question asks us, how long did this take? Okay, so meaning that what we are looking for, what t, unknown, then, and what was the acceleration? So we're also looking for what, a. So the acceleration is what, unknown. Now, we cannot get our t without getting acceleration first. So which is why we need to first of all calculate for acceleration before we get our t. So which of the equations are we going to use now? So you begin to think where we have initial velocity is given, the one that has to do with that, and also what the final velocity is also what given. So which of the formula? It is where we have our v square equal to u square plus 2as. Alright, so this is the one we are going to make use of. So we are going to make use of this equation. So we have that what final velocity is what, 96. So we're going to have 96 squared, then equal to the initial velocity is what, 36 squared, plus we have a 2as, 2 times a, we don't have we don't know what's a, then times the distance, which is what, 0.6. Okay, now let's go without using calculator. Let's just bring this one, let's do it mathematically. We have 96 squared minus what, take this one to this side, 36 squared equal to 2 times 0.6 is going to give you what, 1.2. Going to give you what, 1.2 a. Alright, now we have a difference of 2 squared in mathematics, meaning that what, I am going to have my 96 minus 36, then I'm going to have what, my 96 plus 36 equal to 1.2a. Okay, now let's go to the other side. What we have now, if you take this away from here, you're going to have 60 times this one, add to this one, I'm going to have what, 132 equal to then 12.1.2a. This will now imply that our a is equal to 60 times 132 all over 1.2. Alright, so what we need to do now, this 1.2, let's use it to divide. Okay, now then, okay, let's use it to divide this one. If I use 1.2 to divide 60, I'm going to have my a is equal to what, 50 times 132. Okay, so let's multiply. At the end of the day, your a becomes 6,600 kilometer per hour. That's squared. Yes, because acceleration has to do with squared. Okay, that's for the acceleration. So from here, you can be able to calculate your time with no acceleration. So your time, v is equal to what? U plus at. So that from here, let's make our t solid formula. So now have your t is equal to what? V minus u all over what? A. So let us clean the board and finish it. We have that v minus u over a. That's your t. T is equal to v minus u over what? A. From that equation. So what is our v? Our v is 96. What was 96 minus 36 all over. What we calculated is what? 600 and what? 6,600. Okay. Subtracting this, I'm going to have your t equal to 60 all over 6,600. Okay, this 0 first of all takes care of this 0. So now this 6 here, 1 becomes 1, then 6 here becomes 110. So we can leave the answer like this. So your t, you leave the answer like this, 1 over what? 110 seconds. Though this is not seconds anymore, it's hour, because the time is in what? Hour. Okay, that's the answer to the question. If you find this class very interesting, please share this video and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.